Hi everyone, I'm Ivara. Today I will show you how to use Openonion framework to build an AI agent project. Let's start it. So firstly, let's install Openonion framework in our environment. If you already installed that and want to update that, you can using this command. So now you have the latest version. Let's create a new folder for the demo. Now we can using the initiate to build a new project. So choose yes. So for this one, we can try the second one using this free token to start it. If you face this error, it's fine. Okay, this is want to start our report. If you have to do that, just ignore. So now they have the different template. The middle one is a basic one, and this one is for web project. So now I choose the middle one to start. So this is a demo folder we built. So for the env, it stores the API key. If you want to use another model, you can change the API here. And the agent UI is the main field. So you can write the code here. Let's go through the code quickly. In the main function, they have the agent part. So this is name and the tool and the module. Tools is related to the function you write. So for this one is calculator. So this is a calculate tool to help you finish the calculation. And then you can using the agent input to tell the agent what kind of the task you want to do. So now let's run the code and see what happens. This is the calculator agent. So let's see what they can do. So this is a result. Okay, now I want to add more function. So now I will use Cloud to help me write more function. I want to Cloud to help me write the code based on the framework. The first step, I will drop this one to Cloud and ask them. Okay, let's see what happened. So they already helped me add this one. Okay, so I just click accept. Now the times is already down. Okay, now let's try again. So now you can see the result here. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give the project a star on GitHub. See you next time.